What's the deal, YouTube? Cargo back with another one. So, going back at it. Going back underneath. Let's go ahead and finish where we started so we can get this transmission out. Let's get it. Almost through. Almost through to the other side. So we'll keep on going. And we're back. YouTube, as y'all can see, I've got a cut. So that would give me a little more room, not much more room, to get this tranny out. I really need to get this out the way, but seeing that it's welded, that makes it more difficult. But with this being able to flex, I can now get up in here and have my wrench, get the thing out, hopefully. But as for that, the headers have arrived. Nothing but J's. We'll be going to pick him up soon. Then we'll be headed to RTB to get the exhaust put on. And as for this thing, yeah, it'll be coming out real soon. And y'all can see on that side, I already got one bolt taken out. I'm gonna cut it myself. Already got one bolt taken out. I'm gonna start taking out the other ones, and I'll see y'all at the shop. I'm gonna be giving y'all an update on their bike at a 450. See y'all later.
What's the deal, YouTube? We at Active Performance right now. We got little nothing but J's out here.
What's the deal?
What you up to today, guys?
Well, I was putting on my, so I got this backside done. I just got this one side done, basically. So, but the box is right there, so low key, ain't gonna lie to you, I'm just gonna call it a night.
As y'all see, it's coming apart already. It's gonna look like a whole nother bike soon. Is that the new plastic right here already?
Yes, it is.
That's the new white one that you see. You did the other side yet? No, the other side's still on there.
I did that back one.
So the two back pieces is on. That 450 thing. Maybe he'll clean it up tomorrow. So yeah, and you doing everything yourself, huh?
Yep.
You going to LS Fest?
Of course.
So I guess we'll see y'all tomorrow when I work on his car also. Check y'all out next time. Say bye to the people.
Ain't no holding back. Can't nothing hold me back. Know that I told you that.
That was the same size. How you gonna tell me?
How you gonna tell me?
No.
Y'all can't be arguing on camera, okay? This is father and son moment. Y'all working on
It's
y'all
the
dirt
same
bike
Alright,
together.
so we'll try it. It has to be that one.
No, if I just said the one.
Oh
was
my
too-
god, just try it.
I'm gonna try the same size as told you it was too long.
Y'all see this father and son. This is what they go through.
I just don't like to listen. Sweat so good.
You can't keep telling me something that's already
This
done.
is behind the
But you
scenes
keep giving me the
footage.
same one. I told you the same size. Go try it.
Okay. Alright.
Give me the what's the name? See. Hold on a second.
Yellow.
Dog, that one is the wrong size too.
You said it, bro. I'm telling you, it has to be one of those.
Dog, this size is.
Car Guru back with another one. We out here. Nothing but J's, the little nothing but J's is working on the bike. They like to feud all the time. This is how they get things done.
They don't like to listen.
They like to like feud and then they get things done. That's how the father and son duel goes right here. But yeah, y'all see that the bike is almost done. The new plastic's looking pretty pearly white. Just gotta clean the dirt off the rest of the bike. And then it'll be looking pristine again. But yeah, y'all see the old plastics is off. These is the old plastics. Old stock Yamaha plastics. And then they go on with the aftermarket fresh white. Y'all see that? Fresh white plastic.
Same thing, sir. But it's the same thing as the other ones I was giving you.
Yeah, but I was told you those were too long.
No, they weren't. They were fitting perfectly fine.
I just told you it was
Yeah,
loose.
the
It shouldn't be loose like
carbon
it was. Now give me the socket for this. So where this go then?
Yamaha
These-
thing.
That
They
goes
get y'all a
to
little later.
these.
Around me, all this fucking love. I can't even touch the ground. Got me floating past the clouds. Man, I can feel the energy. I can feel the love.
What's the deal, y'all? Quick little update. So, we got 3 screws out. There's only 1, 2, I think like 3 left. I had to get a swivel, universal swivel, to get in there. Just got it, so we'll be finishing that up later today. But as of now, we headed to the shop. Check y'all out in a second. What's the deal, YouTube? We at the house. Had to show y'all a little something real quick. So, y'all can't see. As y'all can see, there's a lot going on down here. More bolts is out. We just got one more bolt being a bitch in the transmission. It's coming out. My camera's a little blurry. YouTube, you ever seen a bulldog standing up sleep?
Bulldog child.
Look at his sleep. Doja! Lay down, go to sleep. You ain't gotta stand up. Lay down. Go to sleep and lay down.
Energy, I can feel the love. I can feel the love. Got it straight up out the ground. All this energy surround me. All this fucking love. I can.
What's the deal, YouTube? Cargo back with another one. Y'all see what's going on? My hands is dirty as shit. But that's because this thing. Working on it for a little bit. Let's see. Most of the stuff is out. Let me go ahead and turn on this light. Hold on. So, got tools, bolts, and stuff under here. Boom. Transmission is almost out. Just gotta get that top bolt. And I just need to get it extension. Because my extensions, as y'all can see, stop right the fuck there. I need to get it like back here. Then I can just boom, bust open that thing open, but y'all see everything taken out. See how much space got all around. So this thing is coming out today and going to the transmission dude tomorrow. And we'll be back in 7 days. And wow, this Camaro's out. Y'all see I took the radiator out. The radiator's gone. All of that is disconnected. Transmission lines are connected, all that good shit. Everything in the back is gonna be going to Elko Mail, our builder. You already know who that is from the old videos. I ain't even gotta ask. Y'all see the little upgrades. Yeah, nothing but Jay's got some sneaky stuff going on back here. Y'all see this? He trying to start. I think he about to be waking up all the neighbors. These look like 15, two 15s. Think they going in something. Then he still got them other 15s in the house. But yeah, y'all see what's going on. Transmission coming out today. One more bolt, I just need to get the extension. And that should be out going to the transmission shop tomorrow. Like I said, hopefully I get y'all some footage for that. Shout out to everybody who's been watching and keeping up with my channel. I appreciate all the likes, comments. I really appreciate it. Other than that, check y'all out next time. Actually, I will give y'all a little clip when we take out the transmission, and that'll be the end of the video. So check out the next video. LS Fest is a month away. See y'all there. Cargo back with another one at the end of this video. I got just white boy Brian back here. It's like roughly, what time is it? It's like 12
I think my phone's upstairs.
It's like 12 something. So every bolt, everything that we need to take the transmission out is essentially out. We got 2 of the 3 torque converter bolts out, but one is being a fucking bitch. I don't know why the fuck this motherfucker don't want to come out. It seems like it's Loctite in there. I don't fucking know, but it's not coming out. So I'm gonna try again in the morning. Shout out to Just Mobbing White Boy. Mobbing used to be Just Mobbing White Boy. Just a white boy.
Just a white boy.
For helping me out today. Let me show y'all the underneath the car real quick before we end this video. Yeah, I'm sitting inside the car, man.
Jamming fingers and all types of shit.
Yeah, man, I was sitting in here, turning it. I was at the top and the bottom. It's torque converter, bolt. I don't know what the fuck is going on with it. So, whew. That's my ass call. So, as y'all can see, everything out. The training is even lower. All the bolts out. And this culprit, this culprit right here. Let me get up in there. I want y'all. Sorry, but I want y'all to see the bolt. That bolt right there is the only one not coming out. These two right here came out easy. This one had big issues with. So I'm gonna tackle that at 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock this morning. In the morning, check y'all out. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. We make it LS Fest. What I tell y'all. But check y'all next time. Deuces.
Feel the energy, I can feel the love. I can feel the love. Hit the DMT and blast off. What the fuck is NASA? You know I keep a